Hello and welcome to the review of the IKEA LILLHULT USB-C cable. Now you may be wondering, why is IKEA selling a USB cable, and if they are, is it any good? Well, that's what we're about to find out. Now unfortunately it doesn't give a amperage rating or voltage rating or anything else, but being USB, it's going to be 5 volts that it's going to be run at. It does, like most Swedish goods, list the size of the cable at 1.5 meters or 4 foot 11. Unfortunately, it doesn't really show much in the diagram. And let's see here. So to open it, go ahead and clip that open. And then take a look at the cable. There's a little elastic thing that just flew off. And like most USB cables, it just plugs right in. And so what we're going to do is we're going to see what rate of charge this gives off. And we're going about 1.49 amps, and then the phone switches it down to about 1.34. And that is the phone that I'm filming this on, which is the Nexus 6P. And back up to about 1.5 amps. The charger is rated at 2 amps, but I tend to doubt most of those chargers because they don't seem to put out the rated amperage at all. I've got some that are rated at 2 amps that'll only put out 0.5. So this one tends to be one of the better ones that I have, though, so that's why I'm using it for this review. But all in all, it's not a badly made cable. The cable end is fairly well made. Seems to be fairly well joined. Usually IKEA stuff isn't the worst out there. It's not like going to the Dollar Tree for your cables. Usually the Dollar Tree ones have like one strand of copper wire running through it, and it's just the absolute minimum they can get. This looks like it's made a little better, and the current passage tells me that it kind of is. But it's still not the best you can do with USB-C, which I believe you can run up to a 3 amp charge on. At any rate, that's today's review of the IKEA LILLHULT USB cable. Goodbye.